That sound, I got that heat, let's go.
Filming on a smartphone has been a wave of the future. Camera phones right now have gotten so good with multiple camera lenses and great software. Some content creators is looking to bring their camera game to the next level, especially when they use the smartphones. And gimbals help smooth out their videos. Gimbals been around for a very long time, and they all pretty much work the same. But now we're seeing great gimbals at an affordable price. What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. I have the iSteady Cam, the 3-axis foldable gimbal by Hohem, one of Amazon best sellers for under 60 bucks. So let's go over it and see what it's all about. Get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So let's unbox the iSteady X. Looking at the box is a nice transparent top showing off the device. On the side of the box, it has a nice message, making the moment, enjoy it. And I like that. Really good message there. On the back of the box, you have the specs and the QR code to help you download the Pro app. Opening up the box, you are greeted with the foldable gimbal, and right here on the side, it comes with the charging cable. Also, it has a storage pouch, a wrist strap, and a mini tripod. Also, don't forget about the books and stuff, right? So let's take a look at the gimbal. As you fold it up, there's a knob to lock and unlock it. In the front, you will see all the controls right here. You have the control joystick along with the left button that controls the video and stills, and on the right side here you have the power button and the one click for portrait. On the side of the gimbal you have the multi-use toggle here for zooming in and zooming out, pulling focus and stuff like that. On the other side you have the charging port. So let's talk about the app. When you open it up, you have a nice layout here, which I really do like. On the left side here, you have your app home button, and further down here, you do have your flash rear, and next you have your front camera, which you can switch from front to rear. Next you have your lock focus, and then you have your settings button. You can make a slew of adjustments right here in the settings button. Also on the right side, you have your filters, which you can make your project look different. Then you have your hand sign, which you can stand in front of the camera and wave your hand to kind of close your hand, and it will start filming. And then you have your shutter button right in the middle. Okay, so let's talk about one of my favorite features right here, which is the moment feature. These features are designed to help bring your filming to the next level. I really do like these features.
That sound, I got that heat, let's go.
So as I've been using this gimbal, the software works really good as I expected. The only issue that I have with this gimbal is when you try to use it in portrait mode, my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is too big and it struggles to turn sometimes. And using some of the features which is included in this app, I would advise you if you're going to use this gimbal, use a smaller device, because I've noticed using this huge device, and it's heavy, I was having some issues using Inception and other features with this gimbal because the device is just too big. Also, the motor struggle a little bit by using this gimbal. So I definitely would recommend a large, heavy phone using this gimbal. But overall, I do like this gimbal, and I like it for its features, the price, the weight, everything here. So overall, I like this gimbal, especially for the price, the features, the lightweight, the foldable portability of this gimbal. I will leave all product links down in the description below. I want to thank Hohem for sending this product out for review. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the iSteady X in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.